welcome to the North Flute Bowl. The weather is coming in right now, so I need to get off here fast. This is fucking gnarly, holy shit. Alright. This is the Flute Chutes. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's snow falling all the way down the chute. But yeah, this is Flute Chutes, and the weather's coming in fast, so we gotta move out of here. Because technically this is backcountry terrain, and I do not want to be stuck out here. But holy shit, this is good snow, guys, I'm not gonna lie. This is definitely a side slip. Oh, okay. Now we're going to sort of reverse side slip a little bit. Just to get out of this little narrow bit. Oh, yo! This is really good snow. I've never skied anything like this. Oh my god. This is truly like a once in a lifetime experience. Flute Chutes on a powder day. Oh, it's so deep. Holy. Oh. We got a bit of a slough going down the hill here. Just wait for that to pass. Oh my god, this is actually a dream. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm not going to traverse over there because that looks hazardous. Jesus Christ, did you guys just see that slide? I'm worried that whole thing will slide. Oh yes. Oh. Look how much snow moves every time I turn. Yo! I'm really scared that this is gonna just go because no one's skied down here. But I just want to peek over into this chute. Oh shit. Holy shit. Alright, that bit just slid down on me. I'm in serious danger right here. I'm worried that this entire bit above me is going to slip out. Because it's slipping right now. I'm just going to try and get off here. Holy shit, that scared the life out of me. Right. Still though, this is unreal skiing. This is what powder skiing is all about. Oh, it's at my ankles. It's just so amazing. I've never skied anything like it. But yeah, this chute here, I wanted to sort of start up here and traverse into this chute, but some of the stuff was beginning to slide, so I just thought let's not go there. Now I barely know anything about avalanches, but I'm like 99% sure Flute Bowl's avalanche control, but this trail of rocks down here is also sort of scaring me a little bit, and just the way the snow is shaped, this looks sort of weird, so I'm gonna stick away from here. But that was awesome. This is unreal. This is like fresh powder, completely untouched. Ski's like a dream. Oh wow, that got really deep. Honestly, it's insanely good. Oh yeah. Powder, baby. Whoa! I need to get out of here fast though, the weather is really coming in. I don't know whether you guys would believe me if I said that it was sunny at the beginning of the day, but this is just how quickly conditions change here at Whistler. Oh. Yo. Oh. That's just pure fresh powder. You can see at the distance now the chute that I just skied, but visibility is going down fast and we need to keep moving through this pow. This voluptuous powder. Dude, I can't even see the ground. All I know is I'm just skiing on pillow. Alright, I think we're back at Symphony. And if we look back up now, the chute's pretty much out of sight. The weather's really coming in fast. Like, that was awesome. See you in the next one.